In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and customize templates in ClickUp, one of the most powerful time-saving features this tool has to offer. ClickUp is a flexible, all-in-one project management platform, and templates let you capture your best workflows so you never have to build the same structure from scratch again. If that sounds like something that would help your team, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. The very first thing you need to do before saving a template is build your workflow exactly the way you want it preserved. This is genuinely the most important step in the whole process, so it's worth slowing down here. Go into your chosen space, folder, list, or task, and construct everything in full. Your subtasks, checklists, custom fields, views, statuses, and any other details that belong to this type of project. Think of what you're building right now as the master copy of your process. The more complete and thoughtful you are at this stage, the more value you'll extract from the template every single time you or a teammate uses it going forward. Once your workflow looks exactly the way you want it saved, hover over the name of that space, folder, list, or task in your left sidebar. You'll notice a small ellipsis icon appear. Those are the 3 dots, and you want to click on it. This 3-dot menu is ClickUp's gateway to a whole range of behind-the-scenes options and templates live right inside it. It's easy to overlook if you're new to the app, so just remember, hover over the item name first, and then look for those 3 dots to appear. From the drop-down that opens, look for the option labeled Templates and click on it. ClickUp will give you a short submenu, and the choice you want right now is Save as Template. Clicking this is the moment you tell ClickUp to capture the current state of your item, every field, every subtask structure, every view configuration, and package it as a reusable asset. This is where your workflow stops being a one-time build and becomes something you can deploy instantly for any future project. A configuration modal will pop up, and this is where you give your template its identity. Start by giving it a clear, specific name, something you'll recognize immediately when searching for it weeks or months down the line. You can also add a description, which becomes genuinely valuable once you've built a library of templates and want your teammates to understand at a glance what each one is for. Tags are another useful touch. They let you filter your templates by category, so finding the right one stays fast as your collection grows. Finally, set the access level. Choose whether this template is private to you, visible to your whole workspace, or shared with specific people only. When everything looks right, click Save Template, and ClickUp locks it in for you. Now let's walk through something that confuses a lot of people. How do you update a template you've already created? The key thing to understand is that ClickUp doesn't let you edit a template directly the way you'd open a document and revise it. Instead, the workflow is to first bring the template into your workspace as a live item. Create a new task, list, or folder, whichever level your template lives at. And when ClickUp asks if you'd like to use a template, select the one you want to revise and click Use Template. ClickUp will generate a fresh, fully populated copy of that template as a real editable item in your workspace. With that live copy in front of you, go ahead and make every change you need. Add new custom fields, rename tasks, remove outdated checklist items, adjust your default statuses, or restructure your subtasks however the workflow now demands. Treat this live item as your revised master copy and be thorough. Once you push these changes back into the template, they'll be reflected for every future use, so it's worth a careful review before you move on. Check the whole structure from top to bottom and make sure nothing's been missed. When you're satisfied, hover over that item's name in the sidebar and click the 3-dot ellipsis icon again. Navigate to Templates and this time select Update Existing Template. A search field will appear. Type the name of the original template you want to replace, select it from the results, and click Next. ClickUp will then ask you how much of your updated item you want to carry over. If you've revised the structure throughout, choose Import Everything, and ClickUp will overwrite the old template entirely with your new version. If you only touched specific parts and want to be selective about what gets updated, choose Customize Import Items, tick the relevant sections, and leave the rest alone. Either way, finish by clicking Save Template, and the update is complete. And that is the full process. You now know exactly how to create a template from a live workflow in ClickUp, and how to keep that template current as your processes evolve over time. Templates are the kind of feature that feels like a small win at first, but becomes genuinely transformative once you have a solid library built up. Think about the projects and workflows you rebuild manually most often. Content calendars, client onboarding sequences, sprint setups, meeting agendas. Every one of those is a template waiting to be made, and now you have exactly the skills to make them. Save this video so you can return to any of these steps whenever you need a quick reminder. And if today's walkthrough was useful, please hit the like button and drop a comment below. Tell us which part helped most, or let us know what you'd like us to cover next. We read every single one, and your feedback shapes exactly what we build. See you in the next one.